Hello, George, Fat Ninja Food Forest. Been following along. I got a microscope for Christmas. I'm going to look at our soil, do soil samples, learn who's good, who's bad, what I'm looking at. Thought I'd go ahead and share this as I do it. Share the process, how easy it is, and what I'm learning so far, and what we're seeing in there. Really, it's as simple as taking a sample. I have a compost tea today and some red wiggler compost doing. I mix them 5 to 1, so 1 part compost, 5 parts water. From there, I gently mix it 30 times. Try not to disturb anything too bad, but make sure it's well uh, diluted. From there, I use a pipette. I put 1 or 2 little drops. Then I put a cover slide on that. I'll drag that on there a little bit, push it down in there. And that's what we'll be looking at. Can't hardly see anything on that. There's a drop of water, a single drop of water. So we turn this over and we're zoomed in, what are we, 1,000 magnification here. So we're really zoomed in right now. We're seeing all kinds of different shapes. We go zoom in more. Is that really 1,000? Manually zoom in a little more. Start seeing all the movement in there. Our eyes adapt a little bit. What we're seeing in there is everything from the bottom. The smallest things we're going to see in there are bacteria and fungi. Feeding on those is going to be protozoa. And that's going to be amoebas, ciliates, and flagellates. In there, I think I can see some flagellates sparkling around right now. They kind of move like a coin fluttering through water. I believe I see some shelled amoeba in there, kind of center right. You'll see it with a little blue rounding. Then diagonal up to the left, we'll see the same thing. Bacteria, the small little blue, there's bacteria everywhere in there. I'm not going to explain everything exactly what we're seeing because I'm probably be telling too many lies. But after that, we're also going to see the microarthropods and the nematodes and then the arthropods. There's actually nematodes of many different sizes right down to zoomed in like this, then backing off all the way. Maybe I'll do that now. I'll back off one more layer. We'll zoom back out with a manual zoom. And then I'll go down to our 250 magnification. So there, once again, we're looking at that small slide that you can see right through. You can even tell there is water in there. And you see how much is going on in there. I'll manually zoom in a little bit. So there we also see, along with the life that we see in there, we're seeing the amber colored things, the yellowish. Those are going to be fulvic acid. They help break things down. The darker colored see-through things that are more brown is going to be the humic acid. The dark blobs are going to be organic matter of different sorts. We see some more clear looking things. A lot of that's going to be minerals. They have a bluish hint to them often. I believe I'm over zoomed now. We'll go back out a little bit. I think I'll probably end there. I don't want to give too much information in case I'm not saying things correctly. Maybe just a little scroll across here. Just to see how much is going on in one tiny little drop of water. All over there, we can see there's a bacteria in the center, fungal hyphae in the center. Thought I'd look for a nematode real quick. Well, there's some testate amoeba down towards the bottom right there, center right. I believe I'm saying these things correctly, or what we're seeing now. If not, I'll update you. But the more we look at it, the more we can start picking these things out and seeing what they are. We'll zoom in one more time. It's such a busy area here. I believe we see some rod bacteria up there. It's not great to see a bunch of them, but up in the top right. And then just all the movement in there, all that bacteria when we're zoomed in like that. Tremendous amount of life in one tiny little drop of water. I've probably babbled on long enough. Any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.